Give slash, come back ma'am, give slash n. Give slash n. And now we will try to post with the FBL, sorry, now we will try to post some of the invoices for the particular customer. Go to the transaction code FB70 ma'am, and I will start this recording, all of you, for your references only. Go to the, take out the customer and try to post the invoice with this customer. Try to post one invoice, no? Okay, so this 604 document was posted, and this one is there. And what we need to do is, all of you, go to the transaction code F150. Before we go to this transaction code F150, just check with your environment, all of you. Go to the transaction code FB. Okay, so now can you go to the environment, ma'am? Here, environment. Go to the company code data, ma'am. Go to the position and try to find out your company code. Now, just to see all of you, by Dunning levels only, we are running the things. Why? Because we have given the Dunning levels as 2 days and the line item grace periods are 2 days. So I'm not taking the by Dunning area. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. No, don't take it. Don't take it by Dunning areas. Why? Because on the Dunning levels, we haven't taken, we haven't given the Dunning remainder notices to based on the Dunning area level. Okay, so that is the important thing. Right now we have just give a slash n. So if your Dunning notices are not generated, not the printer, if the Dunning notices are not generated, go to this FBMP transaction code and go to this environment and try to find out with the company code organizational structure with the, if the reference company code is not there, then your first scheduling Dunning notices are definitely not generated. Okay, so that is the important thing. Go to the transaction code F150. Go to the transaction code F150. Now we will run the status and remove this Durga 1 and give Durga 2. DURAG2. Click on the enter. Now see all of you, we have Dunning interval in days are 2 days and line item grace periods are 2 days. Considering that first Dunning notice will be generated on the 09/02/07/2023. Why? Because 2 Dunning interval in days. And the next one is line item grace periods are 2 days. So that is why I'm just taking the 4 days gap. And after the 4 days, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09 is the date, right? So that is why Dunning date is also 09.07.2023. 09.07.2023. Okay, and the next one is company code. Document posted up to 04.07.2023. And the next one is company code. Next one is company code and take out the customer. Go to the additional log and give the customer. And go to the status or go to the save button. Now, go to the schedule option. Go to the schedule option and give the output device. Every time this output device will be popped up, all of you. Okay, try with that. And go to the continue option. Okay, start immediately and go to the schedule option. Click on the enter and go to the Dunning printout. Go to the Dunning printout. Give the output device LP01. Go to the continue option and go to the start immediately option. Okay, go to the printout. Yes, and click on the enter. Yes, now you can able to see the Dunning history. So whether this Dunning list is generated or not for the particular 30,000 rupees. You go to the Dunning history and give your company code. Dunning notice will be generated, okay, for the particular invoice, that is, okay, so 50,000 should be the date, right? Okay, first one 04, and that should be cleared. Come back, ma'am. No. So for the 50,000 only, it will be generated. Why? Because see, we haven't cleared the 50,000, right? Go to the execute option. No issue. Select that thing. Select this 50,000 rupees. Go to the display Dunning notices. Go to the print preview option. Print preview option. Give the LP01. Continue. So this is the way we can able to create the Dunning notices, right? See, all of you, balance of the account is 50,000 rupees. But when customer pays the amount, okay, when the customer pays the amount to the particular bank or to their organization and all, they will pay the 50,000 100 rupees. Okay, but in our balance of accounts and all, automatically we will just show the 50.